Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off flash notifications in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for this option and how to turn it off? We need to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility options menu. Next, in advanced settings, we have our flash notification. And in here, as you can see, we have turned on our flashing our camera and our screen, both. We can of course pick and choose what we want, but if we want to turn it off completely, we simply need to uncheck both of these boxes, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.